Hey traders, welcome back to Smart Crack AR, where we explore the best tools, strategies, and tips for boosting your trading game. In today's quick guide, I'll show you how to install a DLL file in MT4. It's a crucial step for some custom indicators and expert advisors, so let's make sure you get it right the first time. Extract the zip file. Step 1. Execute admin block update. Step 2. Paste expert advisor in MetaTrader data folder. Open MT4, click on File, then click Open Data Folder. Then paste here. Done. Step 3. Paste in root folder. Side click on MT4, then open file location. Then paste here. Close MT4 from background. Now open MT4 and run AR. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and press bell icon for more exciting updates.